Hey there, it's Mark from Third Shot Sports along with Cecily, and guess what we're doing today? We're going snowshoeing. That's right, it's a beautiful day out for a little snowshoe, and I thought this would be a good chance to do a little test. Now, Cecily, do you remember earlier this summer when we went camping? And do you remember, because we have a baby at home, that we had to bring his milk with us? Yeah. And we put it in a special thermos made by our good friends at Jigsaw Health. It did a super good job of keeping the milk something like 70 hours with a few ice cubes, like in the middle of like a hot summer period. And it kept the milk cold. Now, guess what? What? I put our hot chocolate in the same thermos. Want to see? Yeah. Okay. We're about to go for a little snowshoe. Put this in your backpack. And what do you think? Will it keep the hot chocolate hot enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so is it time for some hot chocolate? What do you think? Is it still going to be hot?
Yeah.
We've been out here, how long do you think we've been out here?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Yeah, I'd say at least. Okay, so I brought Owen's little bottle. Should I have a little sip first and see?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Hey.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good, and guess what?
What?
It's still very hot. Tell me what you think. Delicious and hot? Okay, so what do you think? Should we do the final test? Of what? Of the thermos. What do you think? Will it still be hot enough? Oh, I know it's gonna be so hot. I'm gonna burn myself. Right. She's hot. Thermos is still really hot. So you know what we learned about this? Is that the Jigsaw Health thermos works really well in the summertime to keep things cold, and really well in the wintertime to keep things warm. You ready to go home?
No.
No. You want to go for another snowshoe?
Yep.
All right, it's Mark from Third Shot Sports, Jigsaw Health.
Bye.
Good drinks.
Bye, bye, bye.
And good thermoses.
I'm small.
Bye.
I'm eating hot chocolate.
That's how Owen goes.